What can you tell me about Napoleon LaRoche?
He gets his shell popped here often. After he gets popped, you can usually find him tending to plants.
Plants, huh? Thanks for the tip.
Oh yeah, your tension is just dissolving away.
Do you know where I could get a rose?
You don't seem like the rose gathering sort, honey. But when I walk by the ice rink, it reeks of roses.
That's very helpful. Thank you.
That should have you feeling lighter than air.
So what do you know about LaRoche?
That LaRoche sure has found an interest in strange plant experiments. I think he enjoys it so much because he can insult the plants and trees in plant world without them talking back to him.
I wonder if LaRoche ever insulted a weeping willow. I guess it would be hard to tell. Do you know where I can get a rose for the nice ladybug?
Well, all I remember is somebody saying something about getting a rose and looking at some trophies.
I'll have to keep that in mind. Thanks.
Hold up there, sir. You have a stamp on your hand?
No, I can't say that I do.
I better stamp your hand so you can get back into the fair. There you are, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Spy Fox, I've been waiting for you. Smelly is up to their usual bag of dirty tricks, I see.
Walter Wireless, Spy Corps' top tracking bug. Good to be working with you again, Walt.
You too, Spy Fox. The last time I ended up with a fever from being cat scratched.
Right. Sorry about that. So, you picked up a microfiche message from Dottie Dash.
That's right, but all I could make out was something regarding an off-switch activation code before the signal went dead. I've got to find Dottie Dash, Spy Fox. This must be important. The signal was traced to an exhibit in the fair called WeWorld.
WeWorld, eh? Sounds like your kind of place. Well, hop aboard, Walter, and I'll get you into this WeWorld.
I'm in there like swimwear.
Heh, that's my line. That's the Spy Key Replicator Camp. So, Monkey Penny, what can you tell me about LaRoche?
I've heard LaRoche has been into some odd plant experiments.
Roger that. I would like to give that nice ladybug at Plant World a rose. Where do you think I might pick one up at the fair?
I heard roses do well when they're kept cold.
I'll take that under advisement. Do you know anything about that LaRoche character, Professor Quack?
I have one word for you. Evil botanical experiments. Well, that's 3, I guess, but you get my drift.
Thanks for your help. I'm looking for a rose for that nice ladybug who works at the Plant World exhibit. Any ideas where I could procure one?
A rose by any other name will still, oh, forget it. Maybe you would have some luck investigating the fair.
Thanks for the info. Can you tell me anything about LaRoche?
Well, he pays my salary. LaRoche is the owner of this restaurant.
Interesting. Do you know where I could get a rose for Ladybug?
I seem to remember someone walking around with rose thorns stuck in their eye skates.
They were walking around with ice skates on.
I didn't say they were smart.
Thank you.
Go right in, Maurice.
What do you know about Napoleon LaRoche?
Well, I can't say he's the nicest person I've ever worked for.
I understand. Thanks for the info.
Someone's in the kitchen with China.
Any idea where I can get a rose for the ladybug?
I thought I saw someone walk out of the ice skating rink with one.
Really? Thanks for the information. Ahem.
Oh, excuse me. I didn't see you come in, Chef Wolfgang. What a pleasant surprise.
Well, I was in the neighborhood and I thought to myself, my, it has been a long time since I last prepared food inside a giant mechanical dock.
Yes, well, of course, as a fellow master chef, you are welcome to make use of my kitchen.
That's very generous of you. I believe
But you may not use my wooden spoons. The purple ones, they are mine and I need them.
Of course, how foolish of me.
You know, of course, that too many master chefs spoil the broth.
Chef Dinah, I can honestly say that compared to you, I am merely an imposter.
Oh, Wolfgang. You are such a kidder. You are too kind, too kind.
I'll leave my chef outfit here, just in case I need it later. That Venus flytrap looks just like the one I saw in Plant World. LaRoche must really have a fondness for plants. Here's where I keep my spy. That's not going to do me any good. So how's it going with your evil plans for world domination, LaRoche?
It's stunningly beautiful. I thought I'd taken care of you.
Well, here I am again, quite literally in the jaws of disaster. It's a good thing those villains haven't discovered the security breach. My escape route is still open. Those are really nice roses.
Thanks. I threw them to ice skaters to do a perfect single snow boot.
I can gather information about the single snow boot ice skate move with this talk balloon. What do you know about the single snow boot ice skating move?
You look tense. Let me give you a massage. I tell you, kiddo, I did the single snow boot as the masked she-bear. In fact, that skating move is fully illustrated in the latest edition of the bi-monthly magazine Skaters Weekly in a color diagram and everything.
Color diagram? May I have that?
It's all yours, sweetie.
Thanks. That's not going to do me any good. Here's where I keep my spy gadgets. Amazing! Professor Quack's spy skates feel like they were made for me. Oh, that's right. They were. This should do the trick. I was so good I burned the skates out. Oh well, I don't need them anymore.
You did it, kid! I haven't seen a move like that since Sonia Henpeck.
Thank you. What a perfect red rose.